remove this, you want to take a trim tool, and it's held on by multiple clips all along. I'm just going to start over here, stick my plastic trim tool underneath, and just try to pry this out. There we go. This pops off. Set that aside. Take a Phillips head screwdriver, and there are several Phillips head screws all along. Just going to start my way. I'm just going to start on one side and work my way to the other. And there will be 4 that are this length, and then in a second you'll see 2 that are larger. So just keep that in mind and make sure that they go back where they belong. There's one down here. Over here in this little compartment, this is one of the larger ones. Take that out. You can see clearly there's a size difference there. There's one smaller one here, and then one last large one at the front, and that will release this whole assembly. Okay, take this off, set it aside. Take your new piece, line it up, and let's just put all of these mounting screws back, starting on this side and working my way towards the other side. Nice and snug. Last one, all the way at the end here. Perfect. And now, before you put this cover piece on, you'll notice that the clips that lock it in are not assembled, so you can't snap it in yet. So they come set aside, so all you have to do is just line them up and just press them on like that. Make sure it's centered. Last one at the front here. Flip it over, line it up, and press it on. There you have it.